Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at data. So in this topic we'll be working with three different kinds of data. So think about it as being, if you were to do a survey, different kinds of answers that you might give will fall into one of these three types. So you might be asked questions where you have to give answers about your favorite color, or what month of the year that you were born, or your favorite subject at school, or your favorite superhero, or your favorite Star Wars movie. A New Hope is always the answer to that question. But anyway, so the answers to all of those questions are all words. They're not numbers, they're just words. Like you might say, maths is your favorite subject, which it is, obviously. Your favorite color might be blue. They're not numbers, they're words. So that means that they are categorical answers. It's categorical data. So categorical, think of it as being categories, words, okay? The answers are always words for categorical data. Whereas when we move over here, we've got numerical discrete data. So numerical means numbers, but discrete means that you're going to be counting. So these are all questions like the number of siblings that you have, how many times you ate spaghetti last month, the number of pets that you have, how many pickles were on your Big Mac, and how many school hats your son has lost this year. Too many. Anyway, so these are all things that you will count. You're going to go, oh, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 siblings. I've got 1, 2, 3 pets. They're things that you count. You don't measure them, you count them, okay? So discrete, numerical discrete means counting. And then we move over here to numerical continuous. So these are things that you measure. So you might need a measuring tape, or you might need like a timer thing, like they have at Little Athletics, where they measure how long it takes you, like a stopwatch, that's the word I'm looking for. So these might be questions like your height, your hand span, so like, how wide it is between here and here or something. I don't know why anyone would ever ask you that, but you never know. How high you can jump. Oh, I spelled high wrong. It's okay. It's fine. Anyway, so how high you can jump, how quickly you can run 100 meters, or how long it takes you to finish the Miles Morales game on PlayStation 5. So these are all things that the answers would need to be measured, either with a measuring tape or like a stopwatch or something. So numerical continuous means measured. So numerical meaning numbers, so your answers are obviously going to be numbers, they're not words. And continuous meaning measure. And think continuous as being, technically, you might have lots of decimal places in your answer. So for example, how quickly you can run 100 meters. You might be timed on a stopwatch, and then your answer, like it might take you, 3 minutes, 42 seconds, and 16 milliseconds. Like, we can continue breaking it down into lots of different, measurements, I suppose, decimal places, whatever you want to call it, meaning continuous. Okay, so to recap this lesson, categorical means words, numerical discrete are things that you can count, and numerical continuous are things that you measure. Cool, and there are three types of data. Thank you for watching.